Tamale Gatwema Chief Police has urged Nigerian businessmen, especially the Igbo community in Tamale, to focus energy and direct efforts to their business, minding them the main reason they came to settle in Tamale. This call came forth at the palace, who took notice of some Igbo people meddling themselves into Dagbon chieftaincy by fighting over chieftaincy titles bestowed on them by the authority in Tamale.
I want to appeal to the Igbo community and Nigerian businessmen in Tamale to know the reason why you are in Tamale. You are here because of business. Concentrate on that and do not mingle in any other issue which will degenerate into something else that will...
There are bad people in their country. You know.
Said this. There's no bad people in Ghana. Please, I have never said this.
Okay, but you people don't accept.
It's not you. It's not you, Eddie. It's not you.
You see this boy that they buy. You see this boy that they buy. So, first of all, you guys need to think. This thing is not even in Accra. It's in far Kumasi. Maybe inside one place in Kumasi. Will the Nigeria really have this time? Leave Accra. From Accra to Kumasi is about 3 or 4 hours. Go there, mobilize boys, sit down and plan, control this small boy all the way from Senegal. Bring the boy down to Ghana just to buy the boy. Will the Nigeria really have that time? The Nigeria, you know, will they really have that time? No, they won't do it. But because I feel like Ghanaians always have a way of putting their failure on people. They don't want to accept the fact. If they worry Ghanaian now, they will say he's a Nigerian. Me, I live in fact, as I'm talking to you now, I'm in my fiancé house in Ghana. He lives in Ghana. I've been here several times. I came on Sunday. I'll be leaving next week. You know. So, in your country, you have been robbed. It was not by a Ghanaian. I was robbed. Sorry, it was not by a Nigerian. It was by a Ghanaian. Shatawale show 2023. I was there. They took my Bone Street. They robbed me. They all me and my friend. 6 o'clock in the morning. We're leaving the stadium looking for our cab to go home. They attack us. All these boys were what do they call? Nima boys. You know what I'm saying? You understand? They attacked the Oyibo women that they were in our front. They robbed about 7 of them before us. They took my phone, they took my hair, they took both my friends and everybody. We run helter scatter. So these people
were Oyibo safe now. These people were safe.
These people were not. This thing happened in Ghana. In fact, every foreigner that comes in Ghana every December, they will experience this. You know what I'm talking about. So when you people come out, you don't want to accept your failure. I feel like what is wrong with these people? This is where it baffles me. I was in a cab.
So now, I was here. Uncle Fury person cross the red line, and on person cross the red line. Na when say no more more, bottom ha, omato money in there. Sabi, wabodamwa. O kama wabodamwa na nya na nkwansini efi anase sabi frafradwom. Omdo be light soup abraye nku o frafradwom nti se makukumoto a if the Igbos and Nigerians living in Ghana have, you know, peace of mind, freedom to operate everything that they want to do in Ghana, not that part, because that area is dangerous zone. A dangerous zone are more step tools on that people. They will never forgive you people. Abuzia, I don't know. It's, you know, 1% omudi duko baby sabi what these people want to tell us is you know, to say there you got 247 baby the second assassin and for hide their omudi bonnet. That is the main reason why I'm calling the leaders, the kings, the chiefs, and our politicians to do further investigation about these people before we will accept them to stay with them or with these people. And we are not even ready to stay with these people. And see, we're asking, say, passport office, immigration service, one, Pamo and operating. Emma the uncle for him, Emma in Ghana. I feel they keep on disrespecting uncle for. ahemfo kiso muka se Kumasi dia yewuro tumfo se tabe biu Asante ye ne dia Kumasi ye ne dia na ye ya jedi say you politicians no ese de mu ye nyina no mu ye asai yewura otumfo o se tabe biu ne niema anase upese mu de ngu ase eka no sebe eya no kra na Nikrum ne manso offenso eni dim fikasim na asem kokosie ene the Nigeria for woody for quality me point o monse o Ghana for so say o mo woody for abusua yentie the Nigeria for sebi enkwase for jimi for ekwatena TikTok live ekokeka no ho na yemra ba na yato so dia mo hi jami media bon wori subscribe channel like dey busuku enguru na nya kakraka enkomra medase
going to meet my friend up in Osu. I got attacked in Teshi. They stopped the car. They robbed me. It Uber, not a random taxi, Uber. Just because it was light off in that Teshi road. I was attacked. I was stabbed. They stabbed my legs. They stabbed my hand, where I blocked so that they cannot cut my face and stab me. They took my phone. They took my Apple Watch. They took everything that was with me that day. It was not a Nigerian boy. It was Ghanaians. So I'm surprised when you people come out and say, oh, this thing don't happen. This thing does not happen in our country before. Your country, there has always been a crime in your country. From day one. Just that you people have a time of, you have the way of covering off your asses and pretend to people that you are nice.
Pretenders.
Yes, Ghanaians pretend to people that they are nice. Oh, we are good people. They are this,
They are worse than devil.
do you understand? You people go all the way. I know some Ghanaians that go all the way to Germany, to Europe to bring white people raw duping. I'm not talking. Nigeria one is come and date me.
I even know personal Rotterdam. The Rotterdam girl for Ghana during 30 December.
One minute, sir. Yeah. They go to Europe. They convince these white people raw bringing white men, raw cash. Raw men, like they bring. I've seen what is it called? What is this country in Europe? Greece men that a Ghanaian brought all the way from Europe. The man has ship, he sold it, he did everything. You know that apartment close to Labadi Beach, that abandoned building. The man was duped there. They brought him to sell that building for him. They duped the man to zero. Now, as I'm talking to you, the man is living in a storehouse in Ghana. He can't go back to his country because they will jail him. I'm coming. Oh. He can't go back to his country because they will jail him. He loan money to come to Ghana to invest, hoping that he will have a better life tomorrow. So when people come out, and these people were not Nigerians. So when people come out and say, oh, this guy, that, I'm surprised. I see all these comments on the internet, and I'm looking at, is it this country that I know, or is another Ghana? You guys need to live. We accept our mistake. You see, we Nigerians, we don't pretend. This is our problem with all African countries. We accept, if a Nigerian man said he wants this, he wants it, go heaven and come down. We don't beat around the bush. The same with our girls. You know, we don't pretend for nothing. We don't lie for nothing. Nigerians don't lie for nothing. Nigeria lie for big deal. So when you do something, you accept your team that we did it. You know, I pray that they find the killer of this boy so they can prove wrong to Senegalese that they are not Nigerians that killed this guy. Because I know Nigerian will not do this. And now you guys are trying to claim, I was like what one man said before, I've been in so many live stream in TikTok here, and I've seen a lot of comments from Ghanaians. Oh, they are Nigerians. Even that Ghana boy live stream, I was there yesterday. He posted a comment that the people are commenting that they are Nigerians that killed him.
And I have this screenshot of him liking one of his Ghana people said it was Nigerians. In all the comments, that was when he liked. I said, oh, this boy, he get.
No, that boy, I pray future.
He has an agenda.
No, he doesn't even. He has an agenda, yes, but I pray the future. He's a racist. There are a lot of them like that in Ghana. You can go to rent house and they will tell you they can't give you house because you're in Nigeria. There are a lot of them like that.
We not saying they are.
Yes, this has been happening for years. See, this internet just brought up this thing. I know Ghana for
my sister.
This thing has been happening. This thing has been there for more than a decade. Nigerians just come and live and survive and go back.
Years. They have been wicked. Now with their
Nigerians just come to Ghana, they survive and they go back. I'm telling you, even though, no matter how nice you are to a Ghanaian, because you're in Nigeria, it will never treat you right. And when I look at them, they don't even love themselves. This is what you need to understand. So they are just these bitter people that their mind is not always sweet. You know. So I feel bad when you people don't accept your mistake. You know, I feel so bad. Like, you know, if you tell me now, oh, a Nigerian brought a full container of boys to Ghana to do Yahoo, I will tell you yes, because they do that. If you tell me, oh, a Nigerian girl brought 17 years old girl, I paid the transport of 16 years old girl that was a virgin that my own sister from Nigeria brought to Ghana. You know, I will accept that. I will say, yes, that happened. But you telling me Nigerians are the kidnappers, well, you were killing since. Look at that guy that's eating 10 human beings, 15 human beings since 2020 till now. Was it a Nigerian? No. We have our problem. We have our own kidnapping in our own country. People kidnap there for business. They are there. And we accept it with full chest. This is us. But you don't come and try to spoil a whole country. We are the most intelligent black people on earth. Whether you people like it or not, you need to accept this fact. Nigerians are the most intelligent black human being on earth. And
enti se kofodua enkran kumase yekokokumu bi anase doma bona hafo sunyane brekum ne mpotemo bi kokum nipa eho ohene eho mpenifo ena omanya asem ti mpenifo mu tena ho e mede mahemfo fufo nim ayefo mana enti politicians, where are you? Vote ma mo sem meyeden e vote ma mo sem meyeden e kan sem bi say by the people of the people. Abayne no hwan abayne minnu sa abayne minnu dia busa ho se de impenifo we emba ya achieve anase ye treat wo no sa treatment bi na minnu a wo hweme e fam bia na se yekum police ni yekum abayne nipa ehun nipa bia na se ne ba na se e bia ewudi bi koso na busu mu a e kwan a police for the investigation e gu from emma no credit no sa energy ni invest ewo temamuni anase minnu na yehwe wo hweme ana yete asisi ano yeminu sa na mo yenana enso yetoma obi se yenyina ye aban nti wo de gitumi no na di yenim e ma me kan sembi se o UK monte se yaw asemi nyina ne se Ghana aban abakọ do oteso da fo nyina mo nyehwe ma Ghana teniye we say how Mahama Juma Oboy. You know to miska. E binu you sika. Taxpayers money. E ko bisika twitwi die fira buchiri. Ye de abeye kwan. E de abeye schools, hospitals nya benefit. Ya yisi kanso na besen twa sa aka. Aban ne teso no gipe. Aban no saa niema na wo yema ni na ye ono gie ni munyam no. O gipe. Ye sika no modde ye. Ya mo nchiri musa se musika na yejeje ye no mo tax na mo twi ya ye no be se na ekobo in the name of somebody mo tax e de mo tax le twi ya no se sika no ehu and product ni etimi e de hospital say etimi e de school say etimi de project say but you shouldn't come and tell we Ghanaians say ye say was in the musika MPP for by ye say NDC for by ye say yana mo ye edu bro se kanu kreche yana mo ye musika from no peace ko sibo president so obi agipe mo jere no mo kura ye bom ho ban mo ma bodyguard fo de omochi soldier fo de omochi a ye tutu a nipa no fa no ho emfa nje chese me nkum ba no wo honorable minister security diwechi military man for diwechi ye tutu a ono fa no ho nje no civil life oso na obeye osika wanyi pay mo jiama mo chef mo gardeners keke eje yo twitwa ofie nwura a ofa dondo fo bedo ama ono kra no omo ji sika twitwiri die omo ji dollars they pay $18 no ye wudifo agrofo no ye wudifo ti o mane tempentem ko esu efrem onfie asemi safo atimi hina asemi pun na asem adanse no yetwa bi di adanse yemfa ne se yedide no yedide wo masum enye hwe hwekane na nas Ghana phone start here intro light into foreigners especially Nigerians Igbo omunkwase asem no Ghana so intro light into so no na me yusum asena ye kidnap na mempanifo nkwara mmoba wane mrantie no na Nigeria for na foreigners do saying and the Ghana police service Ghana immigration system no etimi ense ko mo say esum say kule krepen e che omo no me do say compare that time to ne ya starting years sa de gwe mu fa ha mo komra mo ni say no mon compare adeachi adeesa e chi nipa gum adeachi adeesa omo chi nipa omo chi nipa chia ensanda obisa ho se nipa no na omo hyehenfa mo nya atwem wo che se yensem na ye ka no a police for immigration for ni bi etie abonye for sector bia but apapa for no so eye adwuma me say until say ye be hwe so be chichi sangofo nya no ye nya o masem kada do man no mo ko nkwa na be true light dia to so yen konkohwe ebi program o se wa hwe ti die uhu e ofe die wudu ani ehu e ofe die wudu ani ehu ask yourself say e ofe onua arahu na mobo twede mo ka fokumase ho asante ehu they don't even know the number of hours I will be spending from Accra to Kumasi. They don't even know or more can hasem as if no mujina obi na ekun nipa na Ghana for according to police investigation crash say or more ascent in cry book in a base any Cote d'Ivoire side ho any Senegal for no ascent a French Ghana e can French na French or betch no kuma e can French Ghana do say Ghana for do say the bit me French e didwa like perfect they said the woman French crew ajido e Ghana me e ko no ho ye wo ho tin ho but in free man Ghana how do you call it me chine free Ghana afi mama dundu afrote gare dundu mo na afrote gare o aboy sen sori a ebia mo fi no mo ba abaye aluta abajimu nsem asa ajimu nem wona be nsa be for demons kan benefo mo hwe nipa dodo wa na immigration system na echi wo Ghana police service echi wo ese nkofo kuma ye mo ya mo se Ghana news kro mo ntie bi nua ba my sister Oliver asu ntie bi asu ya ntie Ghana sem kra bi no so hwe movies e booking me ntie bi nso mo ntie bi mo ntie bi because no who say o mind opini bia sore ye say o be support has na Ghana youth na kasa no amedi yi atoyi nkafa bisa hu say ena seni no mo stop citizen arrest no ena seni ena do seni president catch ye say yentwen o mo say aban ne say aban no investigation na wo ye no nti atina no evidence watwa nye bia obi ko repeat obi kra na nka mo for evidence mai ekoku obi ekoku minister bia komu hu nipa koku no kamu identify nkwache suspect for de ye che no kra no destiny ho ahon ma so ahwan yes ye ja no o mari na mfi the case no obekọ court onko court o ka kire say nipa 100 abono o yare was one provide evidence na wo CID ni lawyer ni awu we say lawyer wasenya CID ni awu di nkwasi asem wasem we ho say yabono ya evidence wo he hospital ko no mamu sa report no evidence ya de kan ho akire say nipa 100 ne boro na e wo he fa wasi ya bema jimfo ne na mo yo no kope ne movie ya premiere ono nam Igbo king ne Igbo for Nigeria for Morgan fee emo mo invite ono no yare nipa 100 abono mo de yare e ne be ko wu mo sa afo no katasu mu asofo no on police bonne CID for bonne abe frafra CID for nemu CID for bonne ni police for bonne abe frafra police system nemu lawyers for bonne abe frafra lawyers papa nemu no mudi nkwasi asem judges for bonne abe frafra judges papa nemu yambe twetwa moka mo yare ne beko wo mo be yare chronic disease amunya no aduda yambe twetwa moka mo ye moa Aden echimifu ya beguga na omudi nkwasesem wey omijimifu in Nigeria ni foreign echimifu etimi threaten has na yarega na mo jane so mara bonti medidi no no ntimi ne ntu timun bi ne threaten mo a unsi ade ne kura wodie ne ne threaten wa tinkawo ka obesa akatwe de ho twemo akatwe de ho twemo atemuda ambenyi wasasi yuso ansemako twede mpo kwame besia do boss to wasase ena nanom omo chichi yensase ene ye beto kwa asoman Ghana bitwitwe moka baako mpa bonfo nyambu inna ebewo but the highway ta mu deep one no mo matemu ni de na ko se me se de bia nyankopon asma no kan se de bia nyankopon me ginya me plastic chair na nke ntena so na nka judgment de ye hu obi awie na ebusi nyankopon question the question nyankopon pa obi se question ne so obi se question pa aden mamofo ipe diboni so be na me diboni ade no de se wo ana wasesa na waje no akoweti mo dinfo ko diboni na anu amana mem apai fo mo mem apai da mo mem agada bia ne sibitiri ko ba boni ni ofo wo so tibo ne mla bontin mo plane against us na ga na nkofo mo ye pese mo ye omo be peaceful ba ma we mu no na wa sole blogger so mo kunkun ye na mo de mo tem office edidi no mo so mo wedi kan asa ye aba kata hye poye kankan ye koka Ghana ene ye mo mpai ne nyisi South Africa fo mo mpai ombo mpai na so sore so be sa demonstration na gidigidi na be kan me down eni tuo ne yekoto ye nko state ni hwe but ye kiro mu se intesukoko no obi ya obi na ojai watifita bibinti biribi entia enye dokoto kodua ani jamu ye metra ndi matem but sa nkofo no ye moa munya moa Nigeria fo mo ye moa munya moa eni pa already panam eni pa okuni pa wonwen wonya aboa aboa no kunu yonko aboa wonwen nti ye dem compare moa are ya di yekuru Jami Media bomade subscribe channel like ne busu kunu ngonya kakraka nti sa ampote mo de la mo nyina muntu esim bedi dwa sa energy na mo channel se mo de beye omo mo be claim kinship na se for university o mo because business na mo buy comfort buy chukudi comfort buy chukudi sa papa no Jami Media bomade subscribe channel like ne busu kunu ngonya kakraka share your thought with me on the comment section I don't check for comment section nge kamo aya semsebe esidi otumfa asaso so eni besi di boni ti omonse point kuma sese e wodi for region edamase Nigeria for sikejo ko fini yura damase asikejo ko fi be kasa ni tumfo nkunya ni tumfo esunsun be kasa mo ambi sampa biribi osikadwum na biribi ewo yewro tumfo nyame kase ana onkwaso apiafo ni chawate yesumwo umwade ene mama ho kwan politicians amma ho kwan amu bia no kaseti ayura omo de mo fa ipina address nkwache ho na menkamo yedi adomu jam